Now, since a product is a thing that creates the value with compensation, anything that creates the value with compensation is a product. That is to say, not only an object but also an event is a product. Therefore, although the world tend to consider a service, which is an event, not as a product, a service is a product. For example, a dance, which is a movement of the human body that creates the value with compensation, is a product. A financial service that creates the value with compensation is a product, and actually it is often called a financial product. The internet services that creates the value with compensation is a product. Again, anything that creates the value with compensation is a product. And a thing that directly creates value with compensation is recognition. Therefore, we can say that the recognition of a thing that is generally called a product is a direct product inside the head, and a thing that is generally called a product is an indirect product outside the head. And while a thing that is generally called a product creates value through its recognition, the recognition of a thing that is generally called a product does not create value through any other thing. In that sense, the recognition of a thing that is generally called a product is the final product. So if the recognition of a thing that is generally called a product is the final product, what is its opposite, the initial product? Is that a thing that is generally called a product? No, that's not correct. The correct answer is us, a business person. This is because a thing that creates a thing that is generally called a product that creates product value with compensation through the recognition is a business person. Therefore, the fundamental product is a business person. Without a business person, both a thing that is generally called a product and the recognition of a thing that is generally called a product never exist. This idea probably resonates with people in professions such as artists or athletes. Many of them have the mindset that they are a product. However, looking at the world as a whole, there are few business people who think of themselves as a product.